pretty cool choreographed LED 2024 LYRIQ. So one of the biggest issues I notice customers who do not have an EV face is they're worried. If I'm going to go from here to New York, where am I going to stop? What am I going to charge? Look how easy that is because the car is super smart. So I'm going to New York, right? I put New York over here, loading route, add charging stop, and then it would literally give you your itinerary, where you're gonna stop, and then you can go into every charger, and it'll even tell you if it's a super fast charger, a very fast charger, if there is a Pizza Hut next to that. That way you can plan the whole 30-minute, 40-minute charge and not be bored. So the LYRIQ runs on the Ultium platform. That's the kind of battery, right? It's 2 modules with 12 cells each, 24 total. The cool thing about that though, think of them like Legos. If one of the Legos does not work, it does not make the car dead in the water. All the other ones will still work and you can still move forward. That's a really good thing to have, especially if you drive a lot. All-wheel drive electric propulsion, 500 horsepower. When this baby hits 88 miles an hour, Marty, woohoo! And you may ask yourself why it's called the Cadillac LYRIQ. What car is mentioned the most in songs, country songs, rock songs? It's Cadillac. So as an homage to the musicians, they called it the LYRIQ. That's pretty cool.